This is a tutorial on how to make your PC have secure boot if you want to play an EA game, primarily right now, Battlefield 6. So, secure boot is basically an anti cheat um, setting that you can set in your BIOS, and it's supposedly supposed to allow EA games to enjoy a better quality of anti-cheat. Now, I made this tutorial because it's kind of confusing on how to do it, and BIOS is scary for a lot of people, but it's pretty straightforward and you can do it very quickly. First, you press the Windows key and R, which will open up Run window. You type in msinfo32 and you look for these two things: BIOS mode right there, UEFI, and then whether secure boot state is on or off for you. Now, on my computer, it's off. So you'll have to go ahead and restart it. When that manufacturing screen comes up, press the button in order to bring up the BIOS. For me, it's the delete button. So go to advanced, go to motherboard settings, then advanced again, and then Windows OS configuration. So for me, you could see it's CSM, and I have to change that to UEFI in order to access secure boot settings. You'll notice that if you just try to straight up enable it, it will tell you that you cannot, because the system mode up on the top of this little settings panel says setup. So to get around this for MSI motherboards, you go to secure boot mode, press custom, and then you're going to want to press back to standard. It will force you to then restart the computer one more time. So as it restarts, I press delete to get into the BIOS again, go to advanced, motherboard settings, advanced, Windows OS configuration, go back into the UEFI mode, go back into secure boot. And as you can see there, system mode is now in user. However, you'll still not be able to enable secure boot. That's because you have to complete the setting and apply it on the previous screen where you changed it from CSM to UEFI. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So you see UEFI right here. Boom. You'll want to then restart your computer one more time. This is the final time you have to restart it, and then you will have a secure boot. So just go ahead and restart it. Should be quick. You either wait or just press whatever key you need to press to get back into the BIOS. So then you go back into the motherboard settings, go back to advanced, go back to Windows OS, and now you can see that the BIOS is UEFI. System mode is also user. Now all you have to do is press secure boot. You then enablement, and there we go. So now close this out, save your config, and then wait for the computer to restart. Now to check, you go back into Windows, msinfo32, then you go into your system summary. And if you scroll down, you can see that the BIOS mode is UEFI plus secure boot state is on. And now you can play Battlefield 6. Huh. Simple, right?